Born in 1962 in Azare, Nigeria, Keshi began his football career as a defender for the Nigerian national team, the Super Eagles. He played in several international tournaments, including the World Cup and the African Cup of Nations. After retiring as a player, Keshi turned to coaching and led several clubs in Nigeria and abroad. In 2011, he was appointed coach of the Super Eagles and led the team to win the African Cup of Nations in 2013. Keshi's achievement as a coach made him a legend in Nigerian football. He was known for his tactical genius, his ability to motivate players, and his passion for the game.
Stephen Keshi, Nigeria, number 4. The number 4 jersey I wore throughout my career. In Anderlecht, in Strasbourg, in my club, Nigerian Bank in Benin, anywhere I play, it became part of me, to the point that one of my sons, if he's playing, he wants to wear number 4.
Sadly, Keshi passed away in 2016, but his legacy lives on in Nigerian football. It will always be remembered as a true legend of the sport. May the soul of Stephen Keshi rest in peace. Stephen Keshi to me was a man of he has policy. He doesn't take nonsense. He's principled. And again, you can't be in Stephen Keshi's team and just act anyhow. So one thing is, he was a leader. He led on Super Eagles to African Cup of Nations, and he won the cup. He also led us to other competitions, and he came out with results. So it's all about you as a leader. You must be principled. People must know you for what you stand for, and you must be firm in your action. Not that maybe anybody can just push you anyhow. Stephen Keshi is remembered today as a leader, as someone that came out with results. So I definitely want to be like Stephen Keshi because I want to come out with results.